Hi, it's Terry Stevenson of the Builderall team, and in this video, we're going to learn how to create a website using a blank page template. So let's choose this Create New Site button, and you'll see a screen appear. It'll say Templates Simple on the left and Templates Smart on the right. You also have access to tutorials, last updates on the Cheetah updates, and a direct link to the support. For this training, we're going to choose a template simple. So I'll click that blue button there, and it opens up a screen where we can choose the template for your website. And you'll see on the left-hand side, we have a menu. Right now, we've selected the All category, and you can see all of the templates that we have just by scrolling down. It'd take a while, so I'm not going to scroll all the way down. But I encourage you to take a look at that. As well as below that is the new, and these are the newest templates that have been added to the collection. Our designers are always designing new templates and adding them regularly. So I'm going to go back up here and choose the All. Now, for this particular training, I'm just going to show you how to create a website with a blank template, because I want to get into the back end and then give you an overview of those menu options in the Cheetah Builder. And we have to have a website to get to that page. So let's create a template for this website using a blank page. I'm going to select blank on the left-hand menu, and you can see right here we have a blank template. If you'll notice, anytime you hover over any of the templates, you can select a preview button. When you select it, it opens up the page that you're going to see when you open it up as it stands now. And you can see we only have a panel with a text field and an image here. So when you're looking at some of these other templates, that's how you'll view them, so you can see them live and then decide whether or not you want to choose that template. For now, we're just going to select this. So I'm going to choose the Select This button, and it's going to ask me to confirm that I want to use this. It's going to automatically publish, and we'll be able to access the settings for this website. So we're going to save it, and it opens up to this website now. You'll have an option to take the tour if you're unfamiliar with it or just want a refresher. For right now, you've got me, so I'm going to skip the tour. And you can see we have one page, a home page. We also see that it's right now named My Cheetah Website. And we'll learn more about how to change those options in another video. But that's how easy it is to create your website using a blank page.